Now let us talk about algorithm. All right, so on today's video I'm going to give you a total breakdown of what algorithm means, you understand, and how algorithm works on YouTube. So this thing is very simple, but so many people find it very difficult. Algorithm that you are hearing, to me, is illusion, is not real. All right, I've seen so many YouTubers talking about algorithm, do this one, algorithm hack, algorithm this, algorithm that. Algorithm is illusion. Algorithm is in your mind. Algorithm is your content. I don't know if you're getting me. So they created that illusion maybe to make you feel that maybe there is a particular something or a particular somebody that is in charge of, maybe if you post video, that person will carry the video and throw somewhere. You understand? Yes, all those things are illusion. But I want to tell you, for the fact that there is algorithm, YouTube is one of the biggest search engine in the whole world, if not the biggest search engine in the whole world. So people are always searching for something, and the best way to beat the algorithm is to give people what they are looking for. I don't know if you're getting me. Give people what they are looking for. You will see that that algorithm that you're talking about is just an audience. If you have the right video and you did the right things that you're supposed to do before and after uploading, then after doing that, then you now see how the algorithm is now going to push that video. That process of your well-composed video meeting to your target audience is just what is called that algorithm. So stop having this feeling of maybe algorithm is a human being and algorithm doesn't love me. Algorithm needs to love me. I need to fall in love with algorithm. Algorithm is not a human being. It's just an illusion. It's a process of taking your video to the right audience. That is just algorithm that you are hearing. So I am going to tell you what you are going to do so that this algorithm will start loving you. Now, I want you to replace the word algorithm with audience. Let's assume now you went to the market and you bought a new shop. You opened the shop. I want to explain this thing like an 8-year-old baby. You understand? That is one of the benefits of being a subscriber to my channel, because I'm going to explain all those big grammars that are speaking like an 8-year-old baby for you, so you will understand it. I got it. This thing now is as if you went to the market, you bought a new shop. You understand? Then you start putting goods inside that shop. That particular shop is YouTube, your channel. Then those goods you are putting inside is your content that you are posting. So the amount of sales that you will get today might not be the same thing the one you will get tomorrow. That early stage that you are starting, you will be having few customers because you just started selling that thing new. Many people don't even know what you are selling. Many people don't know that you are there. Many people don't know that that shop is existing. So that is the same thing with YouTube. Many people don't know that your channel is existing until you start sampling your goods. Sampling your goods is like posting your content. Then while you are posting your content, the way you are friendly to your customers, that is the way your content is appealing to the audience that are watching you, will determine if more customers will come to your channel, if many people will recommend their friends, go to that auntie shop or go to that uncle shop and buy something. They sell at a cheaper rate. They do this one. If you want to get entertained, if you want to get inspired, if you want to learn something, go to that particular channel. Are you seeing it? So this is how the algorithm works. And if you are opening a channel, you must have something in mind. If you don't have something in mind, there is still no problem, but with time you need to have something in mind. Having something in mind is having a target audience in mind. Say, this is the kind of videos I want to be doing. Check people that are doing that same thing that you want to be doing. I did not say download their video. I did not say copy their video, but replicate that same thing that they're doing. Do something similar to that. That is, if you don't have anything in mind. You understand? Source for channels that are doing that thing you want to do. Do similar things with them. You will see that that thing that is pushing their video to the right audience will also be pushing your own to the right audience. But if you don't have anything in mind, you just want, I want to be a content creator, it's going to be difficult maybe for you to determine the audience you are going to push your video to, because you'll be very confused. Maybe if you say that this channel is doing well today, you will say this is what I want to do. You will start carrying that thing and be putting on your channel. Tomorrow you will see that this one, you say, hey, is this one? You will, before you know, you will put many things. That algorithm, you will now confuse it. They will not know where to channel your video again. So focus on that thing that you want to do, that target audience you have in mind. Do a video that you know that they must like. If they see it, carry that video, publish. Algorithm will be taking it to them one after the other, small. Before you know, that algorithm will start loving you and start loving your videos. So the more you post, the more they share. And if people are subscribing to your channel, very soon they will now start sharing your videos to your subscribers first. So that is why it is not good to have ghost subscribers. Don't do sub for sub and sub for me, make I sub for you. No, don't do it. All right, or maybe if you see somebody, you go and take that person's phone and subscribe to your channel. That person is a good subscriber. That person is not going to watch your video. So if maybe now you start having small subscribers and algorithm now carry your video and push to your subscribers, the first person saw your video, did not watch, second person did not watch, they will stop pushing that video. So it is good once they roll video out for your subscribers, at least let your subscribers watch. If your subscribers are now watching, they would not be like, okay, since the direct customers of this shop is buying goods from them, let us now push it to other people. So that is how it works. I don't know if you're getting me. So if algorithm share your video to 10 people today, and those 10 people, at least 8 to 6 people clicked, tomorrow they will share it to 100 people. You understand? The other time they will share it to 1,000 people. So it is multiplying, not addition. So algorithm works with multiplication, not addition. So that is why anytime you are getting it right, if you post a video that have 1K or 2K or 20K views, if you post a similar content, it's with that the new one will have more views than the old one, because they are pushing it to wider audience. So next thing you need to know is make sure that your audience are watching your videos for long. I don't care the niche that you are doing. If you are into entertainment niche, maybe you are doing vlogging, try to hook your audience, try to make it very captivating. And on this YouTube, your videos have to fall within this. Is either your video is educational, inspiring, or entertaining. Educational content, meaning that people can come to your channel and learn something, just the way you are learning from me. Inspiring is maybe you are motivating somebody. Your channel is kind of a motivation to another person. Then entertaining is people that are doing skits, vlogs, like if your channel did not fall in any of these, just check your channel. If you did not fall in any of these, just know that you and the algorithm is still having issues. I don't know if you're getting me. So check your channel very well and make sure that your channel align with any of this. Is it that you are educating, entertaining, or you are inspiring? So with this, people can search and your videos will get recommended. So I am going to round it up with make sure you hook your audience. Your audience need to be hooked. You understand? Hook them. Make them to watch to the end. In any way that you are going to do it, make sure your audience are watching to the end. Even if they are not watching to the end, at least let them be watching your video for a very long time. It will help in spreading that video. If somebody clicks your video, watch for 20 seconds and leave, another person click, watch for 20 seconds and leave, that the YouTube will stop pushing that video. They will just leave the video because they will feel that that is not a good video for them to push to new people. So that is just the algorithm this and the algorithm that you have been hearing. So don't feel or think that algorithm is something else. Algorithm is you, your channel, and your audience. You, your content, and your audience. That is the algorithm. So do well to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of seeing me, so that anytime I drop another educational videos like this one, you are going to watch and also learn something from me. Like I said, the purpose of this channel is to teach you YouTube tricks like an 8-year-old baby, so you understand it very well, and I apply everything that I'm teaching you. So do well to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. So upcoming YouTubers, drop comments, engage in the comment section, and help yourselves there. Okay, so I will be seeing you on my next video. Thank you very much.